Welcome to Artificial Intelligence High School Online, in a world where adaptation is key, and where the future is defined by technology. There's a place for you, here, at Artificial Intelligence High School Online. Adapt or get left behind. Join us to get the highest quality education in futuristic technology. Discover the power of artificial intelligence and secure your future. Learn how AI skills can protect your career. But don't just take our word for it. One of our students has a story to tell, and it's a story of transformation, growth, and success. This is her story.
My name is Jessica. I'm 30 years old, and I live in New York, USA. It's the year 2023, and that's when it all began. The changes that no one saw coming. I remember those days when I was still working and studying as a student. When I went to school with my friends when everything was the same. Many days and years passed, nothing special happened. We were calm, confident. Suddenly, in one day, the first unexpected information appeared. The news, newspapers and radio talked about the crisis. About lack of work and hunger. Protests broke out in the streets, and no one knew what caused the chaos. Fear gripped the people. But even then, no one predicted that AI was causing the changes. People were concerned and asked why this was happening. Then, one day, the first shots rang out. Protests erupted on the streets, and no one knew what caused this chaos. Fear gripped people, but even then, no one predicted that AI was the cause of these changes. People were concerned and asked, why is this happening? That's when I started learning new things. I enrolled in an AI course to understand what was happening. Those were just the beginnings. More shots, but this time, they weren't distant problems, they were androids, robots. Technology was advancing, and we had to adapt to this new reality. I went back to school once more, learning and adjusting. But the streets started to empty. Mobile drones roamed the streets, and many houses stood vacant. No one knew what to do because nobody had jobs. Cars and motorcycles stopped running as fuel ran out. Even electric cars became AI-driven. Technology took control. Life disappeared from the streets, and all that remained was technology. AI robots, small robots, everything connected into one massive system. Amidst this chaos, I found a sense of peace. I realized the future was unknown, but what we had to do was learn and adapt. It all started with the course I'm holding in my hand. I understood that this course gives us the tools to shape the future. The high-tech robots started getting smaller and had more power to making many tasks in one times. AI revolution had more accessible. They returned to us. Everything started anew. And now, I'm here, holding this course, telling this story to show that the future is still unknown, but we can always change and adapt. However, it's not time to delay. It's the last opportunity to start learning because it's not too late. This is our future, and we need to prepare for it. Don't wait. Join today, visiting our website, www.aihighschool.online, and start learning. AI for Beginners course now.
The story of our students serves as a glimpse into the unpredictability of the future, a future that's yet to be written. As we've seen, adaptability and the right skills are your keys to success in the ever-evolving world. Don't hesitate. The future is a canvas waiting to be painted, a story yet to be told. What's certain is that adaptation and acquiring new skills will define your role. In this unfolding narrative, witness the transformations our students have experienced. Now, it's your turn. Join us at Artificial Intelligence High School Online, and be the author of your own future.
Artificial Intelligence for Beginners course. For more information, visit website WI High School online and subscribe now.